Hey guys, welcome to Easy Paintings by Ishita, where I upload 3 to 4 beginner-friendly tutorials a week. Today I am creating a tutorial on Misty Forest. This painting is inspired by one of the photographs that I saw and I was mesmerized looking at it. So without waiting, let's go ahead and start this tutorial. So here I have taken a canvas. You can see there are some shadows on it. Basically, I'm reusing my old canvas that had a painting already. So I have covered it with 2 layers of white acrylic so that I can start a new painting on it. As an artist, you don't sell or you don't get the option to sell your paintings all the time. So the ones that are not being sold are the ones that I reuse it again to make tutorials. So this is one of these. So now I am taking the blue color to create the background for this painting. And now I'm taking some black to make some shadows on the sky. Taking some white now, and I'm trying to just dab it on so that it spills some of the white color onto the canvas. These are basically the stars. It does splatter a lot, so don't forget to clean up your table once you're done, because this is acrylic. This is going to be staying on your table otherwise. So now, with the help of a brush, I am creating few big stars, and I'll be making few lines on it so that it looks like it's glowing. This scenery is a very dramatic scenery because we want the focus to go on the trees, also the stars. And friends, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, let me tell you that I'm an art teacher from Manchester, Connecticut, US, and I make these daily video tutorials for beginners with a lot of step-by-step instruction. And I hope you consider subscribing to my channel so that you can just go ahead and start the art journey with me. So now I have done the star part. We will now move on to making the trees. Now with the help of black, I am making the ground, and then we will move forward to make the trees. Here I'm using a pointy brush, as in the brush that we use for watercolors. That is what I'm using over here, so that I get the beginning of the tree, which is the top part, a little pointy, and as I go down I can press it so that it creates a thick bottom. Now I'm taking a long liner brush, and this is basically a wet brush, and I'm taking some of black to start making the branches. We don't want the branches to be very dark. That's the reason I have dipped it in water so that it creates some faint line, because these branches are supposed to be very tall, high up in the air. So it should give that effect. That is the reason we are dipping it in water. Also, we will be filling in the bottom with all the lines so that it gives an illusion of a thick, dense forest. Friends, if you happen to make this painting, do share it on my social media links that are provided under the description so that we can connect on a personal level over it. So I hope to see all your submissions out there. So I have a link for my Facebook, also for my Instagram handle. Do check it out under the description. And friends, there are more than 60 tutorials for beginners already uploaded on my channel. So do check out the playlist section for the daily challenge videos, along with the other videos that are uploaded for kids, as I'm a teacher here. So I do upload kids videos too. So do not forget to share it and check it out yourself. So now we are almost completing this painting. And we have a similar painting of the woods, and it is basically a deer painting. So do check that out as well. I will put the link on the top for your reference. And once this is done, we will just be touching up the ground now with a curved base so that it gives an illusion that the photograph has been clicked from a rounded side. And lastly, just sign the painting and make it yours. Alright, so the painting is now done. I hope you liked how it turned out, because I loved it a lot. So do like this video, share it and comment under, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Easy Paintings by Ishita. Y'all have a lovely day, guys. Bye bye.